Okay, this is an unboxing of our new microphone for my personal home studio. It is made by Xingyu, and it just came last night. So this is going to be our first impressions of it. Me and JP Armada here.
Well, it looks like they have everything here. There's an instruction booklet. Tells you how to work some of the stuff, some of the warnings on the back as well.
This could have been done better.
I don't know how much we'll use. The pop filter is what I'm interested in on this, with voice recording, mainly. Looks nice, has a plastic extension here. Can attach to many surfaces.
We've also got the actual microphone right here. That's going to be useful. Just going to put it back in its bag.
I see we have the extension cable here. So this can go into many sound systems. And there's an adapter on this end. You could put it in the laptop.
Okay, next up here we have the arm. As soon as I can open it.
I'd say that's about 2.5 feet of extension we get.
Then it can attach to the table with this thing right here that we can attach onto it later.
And make it more secure. And we have the adapter. With
I have no idea what that does.
And with a USB on the other end. We have the anti-vibration cage to keep the mic from moving too much during a recording.
Got the microphone slot holder. It's a little small, but I think it's supposed to like go over it, like adapt to go over it. It looks stretchable to me, but I don't want to break it, so I'm gonna have to test that out later. One downside I think is this microphone, glove, whatever this is, kind of came out of shape. A little weird looking.
Yeah, I don't know how much we'll use that. I want to take a closer look at the pop filter, since I mentioned that is what I'm most interested in. So I can find how to open the bag. It looks as if it needs scissors, but I will just rip right here, there, and pull it out. It's a nice broad screen for us to speak through. It got a lovely bending arm that we can attach to the desk or part of the stand perhaps. That'll work just like that in between the actor and the mic. Of course, we have the extensions here and the anti-vibration gauge. It's got a very intricate system for holding the mic and keeping it from moving. That should come in handy, especially for anyone that lives in California. And there we have it. Our new microphone that with the complete setup will look something like this, and we can use for many songs and videos in the future.